Yes.
girl. And also, siguro kamukha ko siya. Charot! Let's welcome
And
Belle!
next gen star, Belle Mariano!
Hello, everyone! If you wanna run with me, I know what you're saying. I can take you for a ride. I had a conversation that I fell into a rhythm with the music on the side of life. Never in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you feel like you need a little bit of company, you met me at a perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. I'm sugar boom, I'm levitating. Don't make you wait. You renegade, yeah. I got you, moonlight, moonlight, starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, moonlight, starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. Hi, everyone! I believe that you put me, I feel it in our energy, I see it written in the stars. We can go wherever, so let's do it now and ever, baby, nothing's ever too far. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way we are. I feel like we're forever every time we get together, and whatever, let's get lost on Mars. You want me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo, I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we renegade, yeah. I got you, moonlight, moonlight, starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, moonlight, starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah. My love is like a rocket, watch it blast off. And I'm feeling so electric, that's my ass off. And even though I wanted to, I can't stop. Yeah. My love is like a rocket, watch it blast off. And I'm feeling so electric, that's my ass off. And even if I wanted to, I can't stop. Yeah. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. Hello, London! Mag-ingay tayong lahat! Ay, parang mahina. Ba't parang mahina? Isa pa nga. 1, 2, 3! Woo! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat sa mga nandito sa Abscourt Farm. Grabe! Nag-enjoy ba kayong lahat? Yes? Yes, ako super happy ngayon at super thankful ko ngayon. Thank you, TFC, for making me a part of your 30th anniversary dito sa London Barrio Fiesta. May sasabihin po ako sa inyo. First time ko dito actually. Surprising! Nakasama ko po dito at sobrang saya ko po kasi kasama ko kayong mga kapamilya natin dito sa London. I've always wanted to go here and finally guys, I'm here dito pa sa napakalaking bonggang pagbabalik ng London Barrio Fiesta. So happy 30th years! 30 years na ang TFC. So happy 30 years sa TFC! Thank you so much for having me here. For our next song, sabayan niyo po ako kung alam niyo to sa mga nanonood po ng Can't Buy Me Love. Clap your hands, everyone! and circumcised that demand our distance. And I'll be right here in case you need to talk. I'm just a call away from you. Why can't we be together, baby? Why does it take so long? Why can't we be together, baby? Should we keep holding on? Even when hope seems gone. Clap your hands, come on. Autumn leaves fall on me. They rustle as I walk alone. I wish I was with you. I'll take a chance, hold your hand. You'd say no 'cause you've always been just a bit low-key. But part of me for daydreaming. It's all that I have left for now. Why can't we be together, baby? Why does it take so long? Why can't we be together, baby? Should we keep holding on? Even when hope seems gone. Must we always be in different seasons? I don't wanna lose this. Can I get a piece of your affection and all of the madness, baby? I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Why does it take so long? All night, should we keep holding on? Why can't we be together, baby? Why does it take so long? Why can't we be together, baby? Should we keep holding on? Even when hope seems gone, guess we'll keep holding Grabe! Thank you so much po!
Yay!
To Bel Mariano!
Yay! Ang ganda, Bel.
Hi, Bel!
Hello!
Ang cute ni Bel, no? Alam nyo, ang ganda na ng London. Pero mas lalong gumanda dahil nandito si Bel.
Cheesy, ha? Pero totoo yan. Sino yung mga fans ng Can't Buy Me Love? Yun!
Grabe!
Ling, bakit hindi mo dinala si Bingo? Asan si Bingo, di ba?
Yun. Yeah. Bel,
Nasa
lapit tayo.
Binondo!
Binondo. Lapit tayo. Bel,
Lapit tayo.
yes, okay. Alam mo, Bel, tinutukan dito ang Can't Buy Me Love. TFC, I want TFC. Congratulations sa success. Okay? So excited na kami sa next project niyo with Donnie. Okay, pero ang tanong, ano ba ang namimiss mo sa Can't Buy Me Love?
Naku, madami. Hindi, syempre, parte siya doon. Pero syempre, lahat ng cast namimiss ko. And also, namimiss ko yung pupunta kami ng Binondo, kakain lang doon. And buti dito nga, buti dito nadala natin yung Binondo somehow, di ba?
Yes, love is in the air. Pero di ba, mga Don Bell fans, don't be disappointed because this coming August 3, tama ba, Bell? There, you and Donnie will be joining as ASAP
LA.
nito, di ba?
Ayun. Punta tayo.
So, imbitahan po natin. Why don't you invite our kapamilyas, yes, in LA.
Yes, everyone! Grabe no, from London. Tapos
Ano?
biglang LA. Guys, yun po, mag-LA po kami for ASAP. So, please po, samahan niyo po kami dyan. And thank you so much.
Ayun, punta tayo. No, pero, marami pang performances na inihanda sa atin si Belle para sa ating lahat. So once again, we give you Belle Mariano!
Hindi ko maintindihan ano ang gagawin sa nararamdaman. Minsan kahit ang labi mo, nahulog pa rin ang puso ko sa'yo. Ano bang sagot sa katanungan? Ano bang gagawin sa Aminin kong ako'y kapado. Bakit kasi damdamin ko'y masaktan mo? Pero gusto ko nang maniwala sa'yo. Hindi mo bibitawan ang pangako mo. Kahit na magbago, hindi natakbo. Katalang kong hahanapin ka ng puso ko. Kahit na magtampo, hindi natakbo. Wala nang siguro. Siguro hindi dapat naniniwala. Pero sigurado tayo sa pangalawa. Siguro sa'yo ikot tayo na. Pero sigurado tayong dalawa para sa isa't isa. Kahit na magbago, hindi tatakbo. Katalang kong hahanapin ka ng puso ko. Kahit na magtampo, hindi lalayo. Wala nang siguro. Kahit na magbago, hindi natakbo. Katalang kong hahanapin ka ng puso ko. Kahit na magtampo, hindi lalayo. Wala nang siguro, sigurado ako. Sigurado ako.
Ang mic. Oh, yes. Okay, thank you so much, Belle.
Thank you.
Ang ganda-ganda mo naman. Nahiya ang ganda ko sa'yo. Well, mga kapamilya, actually, very spoiled tayo with TFC and also with Belle. Kasi I heard it was your birthday concert last month.
Yes.
Diba? Not too long ago. And then you flew here straight away to London to be with our kababayans here in London. Diba? So, let's sing happy birthday to Belle in 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ang galing ko umanta.
Kunwari, Bel, nag-wish ka.
Yes. Okay. Yun. Yes! Do you have any wish that you would like to share?
Grabe naman, yung birthday ko, umabot pa ng London.
Oh,
I think
naman!
this is a wish come true na. This is a dream come
Extended?
true. To be able to perform to our kababayans here.
Ayun.
Yes.
At dahil birthday mo dito sa London, ibig sabihin, may birthday party. At kapag may party, may sayawan, isn't it? So we have here very talented young Pinoys in London na wish makasawayaw si Belmar Yano. Let's
Yes.
call them in. Woohoo! Again, party, Bel.
So,
Maraming gusto
Let's call
sumayaw
in.
sa'yo, Bel.
ang dami nila, di ba?
Ooh.
Okay.
Yung mga
Yee-hee!
fans mo yan.
Hi!
There you go.
Ooh.
Ayun.
And also, let's call in our Spotlight Lighters dancer to join us again here on stage.
Kilalanin natin sila. Yes. Spotlight dancers, join us. Okay. Taga saan po sila? Meron dito. Spotlight dancers. Dito tayo. Yeah. So these are our ladies na sasayaw. No? May surprise pa tayo kay Bel. Taga saan po sila?
Essex in England.
Anong gusto mong sabihin kay Bel?
You're such an inspiration for how much you've done, considering how young you are. So
Aww.
it's lovely to meet you today.
And then we have another one here. Where are you from?
Oh, London Wembley.
Parang pageant na. And then anything that you want to say to Bel?
Thank you for coming to London and entertaining our madlang people here.
Thank you so much for the warm
Hello,
welcome.
lucky lady. Yes, I know. Yeah.
Hi!
London po, Wandsworth.
Okay. Right. And then, yes. So, excited na ba kayo? Okay, Bel?
May sayawan
So ngayon,
sila.
yes, may dance showdown tayo. Team girls and team girls. There you go. So, ang sasawin niyo is, alam niyong pantropiko, di ba? Ayun, pantropiko. So with Bel and the Spotlighters, anong gagawin natin? Team A, Team B.
Team A, okay, and Team
And Team B.
O, sige.
Right. So may gagayahin sila, no? Okay, let's watch the video first behind.
Okay, panoorin natin mga girls. Wow, dali yan ha. Kuya Ron, kaya mo ba yan?
Kaya mo yan, Krista. Bel, gawin na natin yung pa-contest.
Yes.
So let's start with
Team A,
Team
tama?
A. Krista,
Hey.
This is my
it's your
team.
Are you
phone.
guys
Yeah.
ready to dance?
Yes,
Easy,
ready na
don't
yan.
worry. The dance is easy.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Pam, pam. Yes. Yes, ibigay niyo yan. Pam.
Oh!
Yun.
Team A.
Just part, just part. Yan.
Ang gagaling, oh. Oh. Kaya niyo ba yan? Yes, that's Team A.
Oh, ayun.
Yes,
Palakpakan naman, Team A.
Sala.
Team B, are you ready? Bel, ready na daw ang Team
Are
B?
you guys ready? I think you should be asking them. Are you guys ready?
Team B.
Ready?
Ready na ang Team B?
Yes.
Yes, go!
Yes.
Grabe, lahat sila humahataw eh. Start.
Oh, oh, yes. Pap, pap. Oh, kaya niyo ba yan? Oh, oh, oh. Pap. Yes, yes. Work it.
Wow.
Woo.
That's my Team B! Palakpakan Team B. Okay, eto na. Who's our winner?
Sino mag-decide, Belle? Do you wanna be the judge or the
A or B?
kapamilya?
Sila tanungin natin, syempre. Yung
Sige.
Audience muna, audience.
Yes, okay. So, mga kapamilya, for Team A,
Team A! Okay. If you want Team B to win, sigaw, Team B!
wow!
Bel,
Ang sigaw.
ang hirap.
Belle,
Mahirap.
parang Team B, di ba?
Ang hirap pumili kasi sila rin, grabe yung effort na naman. They were dancing. Parehong magaling.
Okay, so that means
It's a tie.
it's a tie. There you go. Thank you, Spotlighters. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you so
Pinasayan niyo
much.
ang kababayans
Yes.
natin.
Maraming salamat.
May prize sila. Hanapin niyo lang sila sa likod. May mga prizes sila sa inyo.
Thank you so much, ladies.
Thank you,
Tropico.
guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
Woohoo! Ang sarap sigurong kasayaw ni Bel. Krista, want it there? Thank you guys, and thank you Spotlighters. Now, Bel, alam ko na meron kang very special treat for all of us today. Isn't it?
Yes,
Okay.
that's true.
Surprise us. Krista, Bel Mariano!
Let me introduce you, the concert king, Mr. Martin Yabela.
Hindi ako sasayaw.
Hinahanap kita dito. I thought you were there.
Okay, dyan ako. Sige.
Again. No, I'm joking.
Okay lang. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Shall we?
We shall.
A sample of what we did in your concert. Concert Princess. No, Jen. Concert Princess.
Naman.
NGCP. New Jen Concert Princess. Bet Mariano. We've come so far to leave it all behind. I wonder why.
Why did you go? Why left me all alone? No words can say, my love, please stay. You and I, we have moments left to share.
You and I, we can make it anywhere.
You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love. Now I know that we can have it all forever.
Sing it, Mel.
Each night I pray that we could be together once again.
Forevermore, we'll stay in love's way, no matter what they say.
Until the end, you and I, we have moments left to share. You and I,
We can make it
make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There could be no other love. Now I know that we can have it all.
Mel Mariano!
The concert king, Martin Yabela!
Now
share the stage with you. And ito naman, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pagsama sa amin dito sa Barrio Fiesta. So happy 30 years po sa TFC. We love our TFC subscribers. Nag-e-enjoy pa ba kayo? Do you want more? We'll give you more. Now it's time to dance. Kasama kayong lahat. Are you guys ready to dance? Come on, let's do this. Clap your hands, everyone. Come on. You can dance, you can dance, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch and see, you're the dancing queen. Sabihan niyo po ako, ha? Makatayin kayo? Crying out in the night so low. Looking out for the place to go, where they play the right music, getting and sing, comes to again. Anybody could be that guy. Night is young and the music's high. You're the bit of rock music, everything's fine. You're in the mood for a dance. And when you get the chance, everyone, you are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine, oh yeah. You can dance, you can dance, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen. And everyone, let's dance! And the nights are long, looking out for a place to go, where they play the right music, getting and sing, coming to look for a game. Get the chance, you are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Come on, let's sing! Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen. Wow! Woo! Dancing queen. Ooh, yeah. Isa pa! You can dance, you can dance, having the time. Dito naman tayo, kanta tayo. 1, 2, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen. Woo! Grabe, thank you so much!
Thank you so much to our next Gen Star, Bel Mariano!